Right guys, so the day's finally come. Just doing the last few little bits before we head up to Wheels Up North. Pull the Range Rover out. Issue with the bonnet, we're just cable tying it down so it doesn't fly open on us.
It's not got a bonnet catch yet. Right, so we're going to see if this will start. Obviously it's got the issue with diesel running back. So sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. There she is.
Mad, isn't it? Like, right?
Yeah, definitely. Right.
So as you can see, the taxi's looking a lot different from the last time you saw it. So we've done a spot more pimping with the taxi and added a few more stickers down the sides, on the rear window and on the bonnet, and a couple of YouTube play buttons as well, just to highlight what we do. The idea behind the stickers really is just to make it stand out a little bit more when it's driving on the motorway, at the stand, and just catch your eye and be a bit more attention grabbing. Right, that's it, we're all packed up and ready to go, so let's hit the road. Taxi's a monster. Let's go! Right guys, so we're on our way up there now, and we'll let you know when we get there. We're going to do a quick little video of setting up, and yeah, should be a good weekend. We'll see you when we get there. So we are here. Just got to get ourselves down this track here, and we'll get setting up. Hopefully the rain does as well and doesn't. It is spitting now a little bit, but I'm hoping that it sorts its head out and you get that mad orange thing in the sky that comes out every now and again. I hope that turns up. But where that is, I don't know. Car done absolute mustard pulling this up here. Wow. Is that an RS? It is an RS. I was just saying that then, it's lovely that. Yeah. Yeah.
No, don't worry, yeah, it's time to get set up.
You might have went a tad overboard here. I don't know about the stuff we've done. And we got flags made, Transformotion. Both sides, we went posh. We got both sides done. Range Rover, taxi, nice fresh gazebo, and then Matt's Rangy on the trailer. And another flag, 2 flags, because why wouldn't you, you know what I mean? So it turns out we actually got here a bit too early. Main day is really the Sunday, but there is stuff going on the Saturday for just people who are camping, but we're like mega early. Mega early. We're the only ones here. But I'd rather be early and be prepared than be late and look like a divvy. But the taxi's looking sick. Right guys, so before we carry on with today's video, I just want to say a massive thanks to our brand new sponsor, Vehicle Score. So Vehicle Score is the one-stop shop for checking your car's history. Now if you're thinking of buying a car, this is what you need to be doing, so don't just buy it, Vehicle Score it. And if you want to save yourself 20%, don't forget to use code TVR20 at checkout or click the link in the description below.
Right, so all you've got to do is type in the reg, which is Lima Sierra 56 Bravo Victor Zulu, and then click check car. So as you can see, it's got a score of 141 out of 999, which is really bad really. But it's an old taxi and it was 400 quid, so we're not really bothered. 18 years old, 297,000 miles. Average yearly mileage, 16,500. So let's scroll down and have a little look. These are the packages you can buy. So you can have a look at the MOT history and all that for free, but you've got to buy the packages for basically to tell you if it's on finance, if it's wrote off, if it's had mileage, fraud, if it's been a taxi. Now, I'm pretty sure this one has. There's plenty of other things as well. Salvage check, import or exported. So the 3 packages are Ultimate, Ultimate Plus and Salvage. if you use code TVR20 or use our link in the description, you can actually get the Ultimate one for £7.18, roughly. You can get the Ultimate Plus for £9.58, or you can get the salvage one for £2.38, which you're saving yourself a few quid on them, so don't forget to use that. Just bought the Ultimate report first, just to show you how it works. Okay, so never been scrapped basically, no outstanding finance, never been categorised, it's not a high risk, never had the colour change. We have got a little warning here to the next taxi, obviously it's a Hackney so we know. Never been stolen, not salvage record, no plate change. Previous owners 3, that's not bad, really. So we know it's been a taxi, but you know, no biggie there. 141 out of 999, which is rather crap, but again, it's a taxi and we know. Score breakdown, and this is telling you why it's got such a low score. But again, everything's sort of understandable. It's an old taxi, it's got high mileage. There's no issue for us. So the vehicle's over 10 years old, therefore may experience age-related reliability issues soon, which has affected basically the score. 3 out of 400. There's been major comments in the past few years MOTs. That's really bad.
So once again, I just want to say a massive thank you to Vehicle Score for sponsoring today's video. And if you want to support the channel, do a check on your own car and see if there's any hidden surprises you might not know about. And let us know in the comments what score it is that you get. Ours is 141.
Which is terrible.
Which is really bad.
So another way to help out the channel and cancer research is to visit feelgoodcompetitions.com, where you can buy tickets with the chance to win an RS5, there's a couple of watches, there's an OBD11 bundle, a merch bundle, and use code TVR10 at checkout to save yourself 10% off.
Guys, so we're all set up at Wheels Up North, ready for our first show. Hopefully going to be a good day, as it's our first show and you know, we're a little bit new to this, so we don't really know what's going to happen with it or not. A bit apprehensive about it, but we'll see what happens. And we've got the little game here we've got planned for people. Toolbox for them to win when our Teddy moves out the way. Couple of lanyards, couple of stickers. And that's it. We've had quite a few people have a go already today, and they're not bad at it, Eddie.
Yeah,
they're doing all right, like.
Yeah,
considering.
Don't be our time yet though.
No, we're still flying, but we don't count.
Yeah.
What are your times?
30 seconds.
30.
So here's Liam and Andy showing us how the wheel changing competition is meant to be done.
Ah, go.
I didn't touch it. One timer. As soon as I touch that.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, what's faster?
Not F1 fast.
No, but they only have one lub nut.
Yeah, they only have one nut. Side you on the wheel on, Lee? If it would it. This is where I had a slight mistake there.
Yeah, I have as well.
Doing alright, yeah.
Oh, get in your prick.
Come on, lad. Come on. Ah, I hesitated there. I hit it, but didn't hit it. 33.45, but it was literally tap tap.
So there you go, that was Andy and Liam's first go. But after this, they did do a second attempt and both got 30 seconds. But as per the competition, we're only counting the first go.
Right, so the rule is, buzz them off, it's in reverse. I'll say 3, 2, 1, go, you go. Dump the wheel, put the other one on. Thread them in a couple of times, fingers, gun them on.
Okay.
And then drop the gun.
Okay.
So it goes from when I say go to when you put the gun down.
Is this a professional gun, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's a super duper one.
I can only use, the best tool.
Yeah, that's not walkies.
It's been a while since I've got it. I know, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Tan Evil GT beat the record. Love your confidence.
Fumble is fumble.
Yeah, it's the worst bit. I'll have a look at that.
We did have a little kid before, nearly bred one, so it might be grabbing again. Go on.
Yeah, go on, we'll leave that one.
We'll have to wait for that one.
50 seconds.
That is shocking, that, isn't it? That is shocking.
Go on. Like everyone else. Everyone else got one.
Thank you very much.
It's the taxi.
I'll put my RS4 key on that.
Yeah, Sarah, man. Yeah.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Nice one for having a go, mate.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Cheers, boys.
Oh.
Good one. Good enough.
2, 1, go.
Because of the
We've done it in 30 seconds, so it's doable. Like
smoke that over that.
49 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Right, so it's basically wheel change. You've got to put the wheel nuts back in by hand for a couple of threads first. Fastest time wins that toolkit there. Right, you ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good lad. Fine there. He needs to put something over that hole, I'm scared of it.
It's not that deep.
Snap an ankle that. Yeah. Fell down one last night.
Flying, yeah.
Oh,
Flying.
oh, you smashed it there.
25 seconds.
25 seconds.
Oh,
Good
mate.
lad.
That's nearly 10 seconds quicker than anyone. Jesus. What's your, can we get your name and number there? Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Was the 2 wheel nuts out or something? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris.
Flying.
Wouldn't mind doing a bit of drag racing myself, you know.
Savage.
Yeah.
The amount of grip you get is amazing.
Yeah, I can't imagine how quick something like pulls away like that.
Yeah,
I've got.
0 to 16 like 2.3 seconds on
What
straight.
time's it doing?
9.7 4 mile.
Fuck me.
350.
That's sick.
Yeah, we compete in Cruise Street and Dawson.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty as well, isn't it?
Last year we turned it up from about 1250 to 1500 horse. And then 1500 horse, the clutch just all slipped.
Yeah.
So yeah, the clutch is the weakest link at the minute. Fully built.
Time for an upgrade.
Time for upgrade, 100%. Turbo kits underneath, all hidden away. Two big 62.
Oh, I was going to say. To be honest, when you said that, I didn't even think that the turbos aren't there.
Just about seeing what end of manifolds if you look right now.
I don't know. Ah, it's a pretty car, that, mate.
Yeah, I like that.
What you say? I've got an Evo. I've ran a 12.6 in my Evo.
Nice.
It's only 400.
Drives
It's only
hard on drag strip.
Yeah.
You either stall it,
Yeah.
knock it down.
Oh,
or-
ooh.
yeah,
Yeah.
100%. There's your sequential shifter in the middle.
that.
6 speed up. Some
Fitted
fuel
properly
tech,
there.
Yeah, fuel tech ECU, so you got your burnout mode in middle on switches. Your engine start, data log, anti-lag, rolling launch, the lot. We run front skinnies on the front when we drag race. It's
Yeah.
wheelie control, so it
Yeah.
starts picking front end up.
Yeah,
retards
limits the
timing.
mode, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
You're
sick,
going
that.
Sky up.
That's what you want. That's fucking monster, that.
Does it sound good?
Oh man.
Do you want to hear?
Yeah, I do. That was the hint. Like one.
That's my fault, but I'm supposed to start it.
I'm getting the feeling you don't need that socket set.
So that's Chevy C30 Julie.
Okay.
And that's 468, so that's 7.6 litre big block in it.
That sounds naughty, that thing. Tell him to rev it there.
Very good, boss. Give it a little jab. Naughty that.
Oh, the smell.
Yeah, it smells
That
good.
smells great.
Right, so the whole setup we got here has been doing good all day, to be honest, with loads of people involved. Throughout the day there's just been crowds of people around us, which we did not expect whatsoever. I'm a little bit took back by it, to be honest, but it's been good fun. It's been good fun for a good day, and it's not rained all day either, which is another bonus.
Up north, give them a big round of applause.
So today's been a massive success. We've got to make a load of new friends, including Dan and Claire from the Dip Monkey Garage, Lee Lockwood, Matt and Harry, who actually run the show, Wheels Up North, Tessa Whitlock, she's like a stunt driver, High Peak Autos, Zero, Hot Band Colour, some ex-copper on the stage as well, and Ben from Evil GT. So we've got a couple of opportunities to work with a few people from this. So I want to say a massive thank you to Wheels Up North for inviting us.
So well done to Chris, the built Camaro, for winning the toolbox in our little challenge. His official time was 25 seconds, but he come back later on to have another go at it and got 21 seconds. Absolutely rapid. And thanks to everyone who took part in the challenge. We had a great day.
So that's it for Wheels Up North 2024. It's been a good time, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, it's been boss. Loads of good collaboration opportunities arise.
We've had the game was a success.
Yeah, there was. The wheel
again.
In attraction.
Yeah, the wheel competition was belting, like.
Yeah.
We met loads of new people, loads of new subscribers, which is good.
Yeah. They've jumped up a little bit, so
I think we've
been
done about
brilliant.
200 subscribers since yesterday.
Yeah, and the weather was on our side. It said it was going to rain. But, I mean, yesterday it lashed out.
Yeah.
But,
so, if you've enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, it is free.
yeah, you can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
See you in the next one.